This is pretty deep. It's probably about a 6-inch dip here. So we're gonna go ahead and fill that in today, and we're gonna try to save a lot of this existing grass so that we don't have to use so much seed. So stick around. I'm going to use this edger tool to cut around the soil along the outer edge where it's level. It doesn't matter if you use a tool like this or a shovel. Just use something that you have on hand that will allow you to cut through the sod so that you can get up underneath it to remove that layer so that you can start building up the underlying base. And I know at this part of the video, you're probably already asking yourself, well, why don't you just put some dirt down and pack it down and keep adding until it's level? Well, I could do that, but doing it this way will help solve two things. One, it'll cut down on the amount of grass seed that I need, and it'll be a lot easier to blend the spot so that you won't even be able to tell that something was done there. So now comes the fun part. We're gonna just take that, we're gonna smooth it around. I'm just gonna take my feet, I'm just gonna walk in here, press it down. And now that we've packed down the first bag of soil, we're gonna add a second and do the same thing. So now that we've got the dirt in, we're gonna put these pieces of sod back, and then I'll see how it looks and see if it's enough to raise that low spot in the yard so that it's mostly level. This is actually what I was figuring, is that I'd end up having more dirt to put down. So now I could take this extra piece here and put that in the middle, and then take some of the extra dirt that we had. So take the rake here, rake that through. This whole ground is sloped, but you can see right in there, it's low. So I think while we have all this stuff out here, we're gonna have to redo this a little bit. We're gonna have to cut out right in here. This is the seed that we're using. This is Stay Green. This is Lowe's brand. Sun and Shade. Grows 2 times faster, whatever. Handful here. We're gonna do it in there. We'll do a little bit around the edge. I'm gonna take this garden weasel, and I'm just gonna go all around here. And this is a couple days here, we'll be putting down some fertilizer, and this will grow in, and I'll clean up around where some of this extra dirt is. You won't even know that anything changed here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips, and if you're having a moss problem in your yard, check out this video here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.